Tropical Storm Bret and Tropical Storm Cindy update today. First of all, if you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe now and watch complete video to get better information. Thank you. Bret seems literally stronger today. Tropical Storm Bret has reached Caribbean Sea where it is likely to end its trajectory. Behind that, another Tropical Cindy is likely to move towards northern United States where it seems very dangerous. For currently we can't say anything about this system, but current GFS shows it very strong. Watch complete video for more information.